So, as the highly anticipated Unpacked event on January 17th approaches, excitement and curiosity around Samsung's upcoming phones, particularly the Galaxy S24 series, are reaching a crescendo. Despite the wealth of information already available about the S24 series, the potential for unexpected revelations adds an air of anticipation to the proceedings. The latest revelation comes from the reputable Tipster Ice Universe, who shared a concise yet revealing video showcasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra on X. The video provides a glimpse of a noticeably flat screen with sharp corners, signaling a departure from the distinct curves seen in previous Ultra models. Samsung seems to have embraced a new design direction by opting for a flat screen, aligning with the overall design philosophy of the lineup. Notable changes include slimmer bezels and a more compact selfie camera cutout, while the phone's frame maintains a flat and sharp profile, retaining the characteristic centered hole punch synonymous with Ultra models. The video's credibility is underscored by its subsequent deletion from Ice Universe's Twitter feed, adding an intriguing layer to the authenticity of the leaked content. Shifting the focus to software side of things, Samsung, known for its commitment to providing 4 major updates for flagship devices, may be on the brink of redefining its update strategy with the Galaxy S24 series. Speculation from Android headlines suggests that the upcoming flagship could break new ground by receiving updates for an impressive 7 years, a significant extension from Samsung's established norms. The details of this prolonged commitment raise pertinent questions about whether it exclusively pertains to security updates or extends to encompass Android, One UI, and feature updates. If substantiated, such a commitment would signify a paradigm shift in Samsung's approach to software updates. The article further delves into the possibility of Samsung extending this 7-year update promise to older devices such as the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5, introducing an additional layer of intrigue to the unfolding narrative. All these uncertainties are set to be addressed in a matter of days when Samsung officially unveils the Galaxy S24 series at the Unpacked event on January 17. Fortunately, enthusiasts and tech aficionados can witness the event live from the comfort of their homes, gaining a first-hand look into Samsung's latest innovations and revelations that promise to shape the future of smartphone technology. The countdown to January 17th is not just a ticking clock but a portal to a new era of possibilities in the world of Samsung smartphones. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S24 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.